So before we start working with Microsoft Excel, we must open it on our computer. There are a few simple ways to find and access Excel in Windows. One of the easiest method is through the Start menu. At the bottom of the screen, if you can see Start menu, just click. You have to just click on the Start menu, and here you'll be able to see Excel already pinned on the screen. If you somehow don't see it, just type it in the search bar, Excel. This way, the Windows will display Excel on your screen, and any file you have worked on previously with Excel, you'll be able to find it right here. And for quicker access in the future, you can pin the Excel to the start menu or taskbar. To do this, just search for Excel, right click on the Excel application and select print to start like this. Pin to taskbar again. To keep it permanently visible on the screen, this makes opening Excel much faster and more convenient. When you click on the Excel icon, it may take a few moments to load, after which Microsoft Excel will open and be ready to use. Thank you. Okay, so now when you first get Microsoft Excel open on your computer, you're going to be presented with a startup screen. So when I first open it up here, it says, hey, good evening, right? Right here. Depending on the day of the time, it might show something else, but currently it's just good evening. And right now I have access to creating new documents, things like a new blank workbook or different documents based off of templates. We'll talk more about templates later on in the course. Down below that, I've got access to recent files. So if you have been working inside Microsoft Excel today, yesterday, or last week, you may see recent files right there, giving you quick and easy access to opening documents that you have worked on in the past. These are the recent files. On the left hand side, I have got some options right there, right there. So home is what I'm currently looking at. New just opens or shows the, or just repeats the top portion of the screen. And then I've got open, which repeats the recent list and gives you a little more options to perform. So this is the backstage view. Just when you open Microsoft Excel, and this might look a little bit different based on the version you're. So now as we have got Microsoft Excel open up on your computer, the next step is to open a blank workbook and become familiar with the Excel interface. From the startup screen, you can go to the new section, this section, and open a blank workbook. Click on the blank workbook and Microsoft will take a moment to open it for you. And once the workbook is open, you can start working. At the top of the screen is the title bar. This is the title bar. It contains several elements such as autosave, um, printer, the workbook name, undo, redo, minimize, close, etc. So this is the title bar. Then just directly below the title bar is the ribbon. This is the ribbon. So the ribbon is one of the most important part of Excel interface. The ribbon contains all the tools and commands available in Excel and is organized into tabs such as home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, view, help. And each tab contains tool related to that specific category. For example, insert tab includes option for tables and charts, illustrations. If you can see tables, charts, illustrations. And while the formula tab contains tools for creating and managing formulas and functions. Below the ribbon are the name box and the formula bar. So this is the name box and this one right here is a formula bar. The name box help identify or name cell or ranges within the worksheet. If you can see, let me click on some random cell and you can see that right now I'm in I7, I and 7. So you can see here and now I'm in B5, B5. While the formula bar is used to edit or enter and manage data or formulas inside a selected cell. The main area of the screen is the workbook, which contains one or more worksheets. A workbook is the Excel file itself, while worksheets are the individual pages inside it. By default, you can see this worksheet is named sheet 1, if you can see right here. Sorry, sheet 1, if you can see right here. Each worksheet is made up of rows, columns, and cells where data is entered and organized. At the bottom of the screen is the status bar. So this is the status bar right here, which displays information about the current workbook and active features. On the right of the status bar, you also find a different view option and the zoom slider. So this is the zoom slider. which allows you to zoom in or zoom out the worksheet. Take a few moments to explore the Excel interface, especially the ribbon and its different tabs. Clicking through tabs like Home, Insert, Data, and Formula will help you become more comfortable with tools available in Excel. Thank you. Now let's look at a very useful tip related to the Excel ribbon. The ribbon is the section at the top of the Microsoft Excel that contains tabs such as um, Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, etc. You will find all the tools and commands needed while working in Excel in this ribbon. For example, from the Home tab, you can make a text bold right here and change font color, adjust alignment, and format cells, etc. As you continue learning Excel, you will be using ribbon regularly because almost every feature is available there. However, the ribbon takes up a noticeable amount of screen space. Sometimes you may want more room to view your worksheet, especially when working on a laptop or any small monitor. Excel gives you the option to collapse or hide the ribbon whenever you're not using it. To do this, simply double click on any tab, such as Home tab, and the ribbon will collapse. Only the tab names will be visible. Whenever you need a command, just click on any tab and use the command, use it, and once you click away from it, the ribbon will collapse again. So you can do this to get more space on the workbook worksheet. But if you want it to come back, you just have to double click again on any tab like this, and it will come back. Thank you. Here's a really quick tip about the Excel interface, and it deals with the quick access toolbar. The left corner of the screen, right there is referred to as quick access toolbar. So it essentially gives you quick and easy access to common Excel tools. Currently and by default, I've got the auto save button, the regular save button, the undo, and some down arrow. It gives me access to other common commands. So it's just that quick and easy access to those tools. So normally for me, in order to save something, I've got to go to my file tab, click on save or save as, and go through a few clicks. Well, here I just hit the back arrow, and here just click on the save button. Anytime I want to save the document, I hit this icon to save to save as something. It's quick and easy access to saving the file. I've got undo right here. So, and if you want to customize this toolbar and add your own favorite commands, I can go to the little down arrow and just click on some other commands. Here are a few commands I can add, things like new, open, email, quick print. If I need to print something, normally I need to go to my file tab, go to the print, and then go to print again. It's like 4 or 5 clicks, right? But if I choose the quick print here, it's only quick print here. Once. So I don't have to go to file and go to print and all that. It's just one button pressed right here. If I go back to my down arrow and got some other ones in there, I suggest as you become more familiar with Excel and find your own favorite commands, find them, and add them to your quick access toolbar. Give yourself quick, easy access to those favorite commands. If you perhaps don't need any command, for example, maybe the redo, just go to the down arrow and just uncheck the redo. Or there's another way you can remove from the quick access toolbar is by just right clicking on it and clicking on remove from access quick access toolbar. So you can customize it, add your own favorite commands. Those quick, easy commands that you want access to, you can remove the ones that you don't want. So try it out. Thank you. And in this video, we are done with the fundamentals of Microsoft. In the next video, we'll be talking about entering, editing text and formulas. Thank you.